Welcome to Brewstar Reviews. Dive into the world of Amazon products with us as we provide honest, in-depth reviews to help you make informed purchasing decisions. The Wancle electric coffee grinder serves as a compact and accessible entry point for those looking to transition from pre-ground coffee to the superior flavor of freshly ground beans. In the world of kitchen appliances, the move toward fresh ingredients often begins with the basics, and a blade grinder like this one represents a straightforward solution for daily use. This particular model is designed to handle more than just coffee, functioning as a multi-purpose mill for spices, nuts, and grains, which adds a layer of versatility to a standard countertop setup. While many high-end coffee enthusiasts often focus on complex and expensive burr grinders, the blade grinder remains a staple for many households due to its simplicity, speed, and small footprint. The ability to grind on demand ensures that the volatile oils within the coffee beans are preserved until the moment of brewing, which is the primary secret to a more aromatic and flavorful cup. When looking at the physical construction and design of the device, the combination of a vibrant red finish and stainless steel provides a modern aesthetic that stands out without being overly bulky or intrusive. The unit is built around a pure copper motor, which is a notable choice for a machine positioned at a price point of approximately $14. Copper motors are generally preferred in small appliances because they tend to handle heat more effectively than aluminum alternatives. This heat management is crucial because excessive heat during the grinding process can actually scorch the coffee grounds or spices, altering the intended flavor profile before the brewing even begins. Furthermore, a copper motor often leads to a longer lifespan for the internal components, providing a sense of reliability for a daily use item. The grinding chamber features stainless steel blades, a material chosen for its durability and resistance to rust and corrosion. This is particularly important when switching between different types of ingredients, as stainless steel is non-porous and does not hold onto odors or stains as easily as plastic alternatives. One of the most practical design elements is the transparent lid. This allows for clear visibility during the grinding process, which is essential for a blade grinder where the consistency of the grind is determined entirely by the length of time the motor is running. By watching the beans or spices break down in real time, it becomes much easier to stop the motor once the desired texture is achieved, whether that is a coarse crumble or a fine powder. The inclusion of a dedicated cleaning brush also speaks to the maintenance needs of the device, as fine particles often settle in the corners of the grinding bowl or around the blade assembly. Keeping the chamber clean is vital for maintaining the purity of flavor, especially when the device is used for both coffee and savory spices. Performance is centered on a one-touch operation system that prioritizes ease of use over complex settings or digital interfaces. To begin the process, the lid is secured and pressure is applied to the top, engaging the motor and spinning the blades at high speeds. This method relies on a pulsing technique where the user presses and releases the lid in short bursts. Pulsing helps to move the contents around the chamber, ensuring that the blades come into contact with all the pieces rather than just the ones at the bottom of the bowl. The efficiency of the copper motor allows the blades to reach speeds necessary for breaking down hard coffee beans or tough peppercorns in a matter of seconds. In terms of noise, this model is marketed as a quiet grinder, which is a relative term in the context of high-speed blades hitting hard objects. By utilizing a motor that operates with less vibration and a housing that helps dampen sound, the overall noise profile is intended to be less intrusive during early morning hours compared to older or more industrial models. The quality of the grind produced is typical of a blade system, meaning it produces a mix of particle sizes. For drip coffee makers, pour-overs, or French presses, this level of consistency is often perfectly acceptable for the average home brewer. When used as a spice mill, the performance is equally effective. It can turn whole cloves, cinnamon sticks, or peppercorns into fine powders that retain more natural oil and punch than pre-packaged versions found on grocery store shelves. This versatility makes the device a dual-purpose tool that justifies its place on the kitchen counter. This grinder is best suited for individuals who are looking for a budget-friendly way to improve their morning routine without investing in expensive or complicated machinery. It is an ideal choice for someone living in a smaller space, such as an apartment or a dorm room, where counter space is at a premium and a large, heavy-duty grinder would be impractical. Additionally, it appeals to those who may already own a high-end coffee grinder but want a separate, dedicated device for grinding spices. Using the same machine for both coffee and pungent spices like cumin or dried chilies can lead to flavor contamination, so having a secondary, affordable mill like this one solves that problem effectively. It also serves as a great introductory tool for someone who is just beginning to explore the world of whole bean coffee and wants to see if the difference in taste justifies the extra step in their routine without a significant financial commitment. At a price point of roughly $14 at the time of writing, the Wancle electric coffee grinder offers a balanced mix of utility, style, and affordability. While it may not provide the surgical precision of a professional burr grinder required for espresso, it delivers a reliable and fast way to process beans and spices for the majority of home brewing methods. The use of a copper motor and stainless steel components suggests a focus on basic quality that is not always present in entry-level appliances. Ultimately, it is a practical tool that fulfills a specific need for convenience and freshness in the kitchen, making it a solid consideration for those who value simplicity and multifunctional design in their daily appliances. Its straightforward nature ensures that anyone can achieve a fresh grind with minimal effort, supporting a better culinary experience at home. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product insights. Have a product you want us to review? Drop a like and subscribe, and comment below. Until next time, happy shopping!